Let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself stuck in a cycle of bad habits that you just can't seem to break? Whether it's procrastinating, overeating, or spending too much time scrolling through social media, we all have habits we wish we could change. But what if I told you there's a proven way to break those bad habits and replace them with good ones? Imagine a life where you wake up early, exercise regularly, and feel productive and in control of your time. Sounds great, right? Well, today we're diving into exactly how to do that. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to turn your bad habits into good ones and transform your life. Let's get started. Breaking bad habits and building good ones starts with understanding one fundamental principle: habits are not the enemy, your system is. A habit is just a repeated behavior, and every habit serves a purpose. It's tied to a cue, a routine, and a reward. If you want to change your habits, you have to address this loop. Let's break it all down into actionable steps. Step 1. Identify the habit loop. Every habit starts with a cue, something that triggers the behavior. For example, boredom might trigger the habit of snacking, or stress might lead you to scroll through your phone. The next part is the routine, the actual behavior itself. Finally, there's the reward, which is the feeling you get from performing the habit. It might be satisfaction, relief, or even just distraction. The key here is to write down your habits and analyze what triggers them, what you do, and what you gain from them. This self-awareness is the foundation for change. Step 2. Make bad habits harder to do. If you want to stop reaching for your phone when you're trying to focus, move it out of reach. If you want to stop eating junk food, don't keep it in the house. The idea is simple: create barriers between you and the bad habit. The more inconvenient it is to perform, the less likely you are to do it. Step 3. Replace, don't erase. Breaking a bad habit doesn't mean leaving a void. If you remove one habit, you need to replace it with a positive one that fulfills the same need. For example, if you usually watch TV to relax, try replacing it with reading a book or taking a walk. The goal is to redirect your energy toward something constructive. Step 4. Use the power of small wins. Often, people fail to change their habits because they aim too high, too fast. Instead of saying, "I'm going to work out every day for an hour," start with just 5 minutes a day. The key is consistency. Small wins build momentum, and momentum leads to lasting change. Step 5. Create a supportive environment. Your surroundings play a massive role in shaping your habits. Want to read more? Keep a book on your nightstand instead of your phone. Want to eat healthier? Stock your fridge with fruits and vegetables. Make good habits easier to access and bad ones harder to reach. Step 6. Leverage accountability. Tell a friend or family member about the habit you're trying to build or break. Better yet, join a group with similar goals. Accountability can be a powerful motivator because it adds a layer of responsibility to your actions. Step 7. Stack new habits onto existing ones. This is called habit stacking, and it's a game changer. Link a new habit to something you already do regularly. For example, if you want to meditate, do it right after brushing your teeth. This creates a natural flow in your routine, making it easier to stick to. Step 8. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself when you make progress. This doesn't mean indulging in something that counteracts your goals, like eating a tub of ice cream after a workout. Instead, choose rewards that align with your new habits, like buying yourself a new workout outfit or enjoying an extra episode of your favorite show. Step 9. Learn to forgive yourself. Slip-ups are inevitable. The important thing is not to let one mistake spiral into giving up entirely. Missed a workout? That's okay, get back on track the next day. Perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Step 10. Track your progress. Whether it's a journal, an app, or a simple checklist, keeping track of your habits helps you stay motivated. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly rewarding and keeps you focused on your goals. Step 11. Visualize your success. Take a few minutes each day to picture yourself thriving with your new habits. Imagine the energy you'll have, the confidence you'll feel, and the goals you'll achieve. Visualization isn't just motivational, it's a proven way to train your brain for success.